Igor Stravinsky was a Russian-born composer and conductor, widely regarded as a pivotal figure in 20th century modernist music. Stravinsky was born in 1882 in Oranienbaum, now Lomonosov, near St. Petersburg, Russia. His mother was an amateur singer and pianist, while his father, Fyodor Stravinsky, was a renowned bass at the Mariinsky Theater. Stravinsky's parents arranged private piano lessons for him, where he displayed an early interest in music, often performing improvisation over strictly following pre-written compositions. In 1901, Stravinsky enrolled in law at the University of St. Petersburg at his parents' insistence, though his true passion lay in music. In 1902, he showed his compositions to Rimsky-Korsakov, who became his mentor, offering guidance that shaped his future as a composer. Sergei Diaghilev, impresario of the Ballet Russes, was looking for a ballet with Russian music to captivate Western audiences. After several composers declined, Diaghilev approached 27-year-old Stravinsky, whose work The Firebird premiered in Paris in 1910, making him an overnight sensation. After listening to Stravinsky's new piano and orchestra composition, Diaghilev persuaded him to transform it into a ballet. The result, Petrushka, premiered in Paris in 1911, solidifying Stravinsky's reputation as one of the most innovative young theater composers of his time. Stravinsky's The Rite of Spring is one of the most famous and revolutionary pieces in classical music. It depicted pagan rituals of Slavonic tribes and used, for its time, unusual rhythms, complex meters, bold instrumentation, and radical choreography. When it premiered at the Théâtre des Champs-Élysées in 1913, it caused a famous riot in the theater, with some people applauding while others protested loudly. Over time, The Rite of Spring became one of the most influential works of the 20th century, reshaping the future of music and ballet. During World War I, Stravinsky fled Russia and settled in Switzerland. In 1920, he relocated to France, where he lived for the next 2 decades. In 1939, he moved to the United States, where he completed his important work, Symphony in C, and became an American citizen. Igor Stravinsky passed away in 1971 in New York City at the age of 88. His groundbreaking contributions to modernism, with more than 100 works to his name, and his influence on future composers solidified him as a central figure in 20th century music.